this is something I was not looking forward to, but I got to do it. So I got the baby out here soaking some sun, and basically what I'm wanting to do is get the whole car really nice and warm so that the vinyl wrap can come off a lot easier. This is something I am not looking forward to doing. I know peeling vinyl is a pain in the butt, and well, this car has been vinyl wrapped since 2015, so it's been on here for 6 years. Honestly, I'm not sure how long you're supposed to even leave vinyl wrap on the car, but it's time to go. One, because I really don't like this color. It looks cool like here because it looks black, but when the sun hits it, it's not black. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hopefully it comes out on camera, but it's got a bunch of like gold, like a reddish gold flake, and I don't like that. If it was like a black metallic, it would be cool, but this gold red flake, I'm not a fan of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. One, to make sure that it doesn't damage the paint since it's been on here for so long. Two, I'm not the biggest fan of it, so I'll keep the car silver for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna go back and wrap it later. I'm not sure if I'll do that this year or next year, but for sure the car will be getting wrapped again. Yeah, I really don't want to do this. Whatever, I guess it's time to get started. And actually I just put in 500 miles onto the car. The engine is fully broken in, so I should be getting the car tuned. I reached out to Alpha at Induction Performance, since he is the original tuner for this car, and I am gonna have him retune it again on the new motor, make sure everything's good, so then we can start doing some awesome POV videos. Till that tuning session gets done, I'll do this little projects that I had been wanting to do. Like, I'm gonna make like a little skid plate to protect my carbon fiber lip, because the other day I did hit something and I don't want to break that. That stuff's like, that lip right there is like 800 bucks, so I'm trying to be careful. So before I start peeling this, I'm gonna make a couple of videos for TikTok. I've been having a lot of fun with TikTok, and a lot of people get triggered there, so most of them don't know much about my car and what's done to it, so they're thinking it's your typical Supra. I don't know, I've been enjoying pushing these kids' buttons, so let's do something to get some people bothered about this. How many people are gonna get pissed over this? This is plastic, but whatever. I mean, the wrap's coming off. Oh God, I'm not happy about this at all, but I'm not surprised. Oh, God damn it. All right. So, vinyl wrap. It looks fantastic, but whenever you vinyl wrap over anything that has been, you know, previously resprayed, you're gonna have issues, especially if you leave it on for 6 years. So I'm not exactly sure if this is because the wrap was in. I'm not sure if this happened because the wrap was on the car for 6 years, and I think for like a whole year the car was out in the sun. It might have cooked up everything. But check this out, you guys. Look at that. The paint came right off on this. Yep. Might have to order some vinyl wrap sooner than I expected. This sucks. Alright, the other side wasn't bad at all. It didn't chip in or anything. Oh god, came out in one piece too. Well, whatever. There's no point of being bummed out about it. Shit happens. Just gotta keep moving forward, whatever. And there's the front end finished. The bumper wasn't too bad. Had a little bit of chips all around here. Basically, any corners I saw a little bit of chips, but I mean the car's from 1997, so I'm not too surprised, honestly. This fender came out fine. I see it has like a little scratch there, I mean, for 1997, it's not that bad. I guess so far the worst part is that fender over there, but this is the way it looks, you guys. And I mean, no offense to anyone who likes silver, but I'm not feeling this silver at all. Not because of the chips. It's just, damn it. I really like the black. Oh, and but before I continue, I know I'm not a wrap expert. That's not what I do. I did wrap the other Supra all by myself. Look at, my dog has a piece of vinyl stuck to him. Dude, we're not gonna wrap you, bro. Let's get this off you. Now, like I said, I'm not a wrap expert, but I feel pretty happy on my wrapping skills compared to what I took off this front bumper. This front bumper had probably like 15 different pieces. I mean, it was crazy. On the other Supra, the one that I wrapped, it's just one whole piece for the front and then just 3 inlays for the, you know, for the center and then the 2 sides. So I guess I did a pretty decent job compared to this. And there she is, you guys. So I mean, it looks nice, don't get me wrong, the color is pretty, but I don't know, I've never been a silver type of guy. I mean, it looks pretty badass, don't get me wrong. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up wrapping it again soon. Check it out, you guys. Also cut my hair. I've never in my life done a hairdo like this. So basically I just left the top long. I've always cut my hair by myself since I was like 12 years old. Did it again. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd have this hairdo, but my wife wanted to see it and she liked it, so I'm gonna keep it for a little bit. But back to the car. Yeah, I don't know, you guys tell me what you think, but honestly I don't think I'm gonna keep it like this for a very long time. It's just not me. This is not my style. You know, I like darker colors. This is just too bright for me. I mean, you know, white is okay. I like white, but yeah, I don't know. So besides, obviously you guys know that fender on the other side, it chipped off the paint. Besides that, this whole side of the car was perfectly fine. The top was perfectly fine. The front bumper, fine for the most part, except right on the top, you know, where it goes down in like the flat part on the top. You can't see it, but the paint did chip off there. And also the rear bumper. You guys see that? That's a pretty big piece on the rear bumper. But besides that, the rest of the car is perfectly fine. So I mean, I guess you live and learn. I mean, I'm thinking this happened either because the wrap was on here for 6 years, the car sat in the sun for a very, very long time. Right here in Texas, like 100 plus. So I don't know if it cooked it up, or maybe the paint wasn't the best in those areas. I'm not sure. But whatever it was, I mean, it is what it is, you guys. There's no point of me getting upset or being bummed out. I mean, at the end of the day, I still have the car. It still runs, so it's okay. But with that being said, we are now taking orders again for the Boosted Project shirts. All the proceeds that we make from these shirts are gonna go into funding the next vinyl wrap for this car, because your boy is not gonna be happy and satisfied with this color. So you guys want to get a shirt, help your brother out, just go ahead and send us a message through Instagram or send us an email. I'll put the information on the description. Not only that, it's a badass shirt, man. You got a Boosted Project yourself, there you go, get yourself a shirt. That's what it is, you guys. If you guys are ever gonna vinyl wrap your car, you know, take into consideration that things like that may or may not happen. It's just a risk. Have you guys ever seen the movie Blood In, Blood Out? There's a saying that says, life's a risk, carnal. Shit happens, man. It's all good. Yeah, but that's gonna be it, you guys. So I'll go ahead and catch you guys on the next video. I'm probably gonna wait for a day that is not too hot so I can take my son out for a spin. You guys can see his reaction. So later.